Good morning guys, welcome back to my grammar channel. I hope you all are doing well. In the previous classes I have started already subordinate conjunction. Subordinate conjunction I have started the timing, that is before and after. So today I am going to start when. When it shows the time or a duration of time that connects the dependent clause to the main clause. It shows the time when the time or duration of something else has taken place, and when is used for the short action and specific movement. So let's see the example. You will get an idea how it is used. So when it means a timing or duration. Yes, the action take very short time. Action takes very short. We can say a specific movement. Okay, let's see example. You will come to know. See, when the teacher arrived, okay, the classroom was quiet. See, I told you when we can use at the beginning of the sentences. Already I have shown in the before. When the teacher arrived, the action starts. Okay, very short time. Next, the classroom was quiet. So the action started very short and specific movement. So let's take one more example. When the school bell rang, the students left the classroom. Okay, so here in the both the sentences I have taken the when at the beginning of the sentences. Let's see, in the middle of the sentences we'll take the when. The student is nervous when he started to speak in front of the class. The student is nervous when he started to speak in front of the class. So just remember, when is nothing but showing the timing in very short action and in a specific moment. Let's take one more example. I was very happy when I heard a good news. Can you see in all the action, one starting to action, I have shown how the when is used in the beginning of sentences. One is dependent clause and independent clause, and in the last two sentences I have shown how the when is used in the middle of the sentences. I hope you get a clear idea how the when is used in subordinate conjunction. But guys, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share. Thank you.